In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Flutter package Font Awesome Flutter. This is the simple app we're going to build today, where we have a couple of icons directly from Font Awesome. Let's get started. As mentioned, we are going to use the Font Awesome Flutter package. Just copy this to your clipboard, then in your pubspec.yaml file, underneath your dependencies, just paste it in here and run pub-get. Concerning the layout, I simply built a very simple Flutter app, and I centered a column here with minimum size, and in this column I have 2 rows, and in each row there are 3 Font Awesome icons. You can use the Font Awesome icons by simply using the widget FA icon, which stands for Font Awesome icon. Make sure that you don't use this with the normal icon widget, since sometimes this might give you some problems. So make sure you use this icon, FA icon, and then you simply call Font Awesome icons dot and then whatever your icon name is, and you can give it a size or a color as you're usually using another icon widget. You can have a look at the different icons Font Awesome offers by clicking on this link here. You will come to this website here, and if you might already know it, they offer Pro icons, so you have to pay for it, or you can use free icons. In this case I use free icons. So for example, I use this one, Apple, and this icon name is Apple, so I simply used Font Awesome icons.apple. If you want to use the Pro icons, then in the README file of the Flutter package, there is a small setup you have to do so that you can use the Pro icons. But I'm not going through this tutorial, since I simply wanted to show you the normal free icons. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments, and thank you for watching.